I'm Austin. I'm a student at EWA. I graduated from Fairfield High School in September.
I'm Shaden. I'm also a student at EWA. I graduated from Fairfield in November. We went through the pre-apprenticeship program, which is a bunch of options for different trades and whatever you want to go into. And people come in and demonstrate.
We ended up going to work for the rest of the day after coming in at 10 a.m. We took interest to it, ended up applying. You can get a walkthrough, and we ended up getting in, and here we are.
I'm Joe, assistant principal at Fairfield High School. So at Fairfield High School, we're graduating about 850 students. Half of them are headed to a college after they graduate, half are not. And so one thing we've done is establish what we're calling pre-apprenticeships, bringing in great local businesses and organizations like Elite Welding Academy to just make connections, really, to build a bridge. And so it's awesome seeing these two guys here, having taken advantage of that, build a connection with Elite Welding, and now right here, getting ready to step directly into their future.